How to fix no such interface supported on Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, first of all on your PC, just go to your Start or Search window at the bottom of the screen, and then on the search bar at the top you need to search for CMD, which means the command prompt. So on this command prompts, you just have to right click on your mouse and then click on Run as Administrator and open it. So if you want to allow this app to make changes, click on Yes. Then once you have done that, you just have to enter a command here. Simply you can copy the command and you need to simply paste the command here. So typing this command means to re-register your DLL file. So once you have done that, you have to press enter on your keyboard and then click on OK. If your check if your issue of no interface supported on Windows 11 is fixed, then you need not go to another step. But if it is not yet resolved, then you need to re-enter the another command here. So you can copy this command here. So this is the second command. Using Control C, let's copy it and then let's paste it on our command prompt. By clicking on Control V, you can easily paste it, and then once you have done that, your issue of no interface supported on Windows 11 will be definitely solved after this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.